was really touched and honoured when Edge Hill recognised me to be able to get an award.
It feels incredibly overwhelming.
Well, it's an absolute honour. I'm absolutely thrilled about it. I mean, to now be able to call myself a doctor.
I was so impressed by the very nature of the event.
I was a lot more emotional than I thought I would be. When I stood up, I looked at my dad and he's in tears and I was like, okay, Fran, hold it together, hold it together.
You know, when I was asked, I was only too pleased to come along, and it's been a really, really enjoyable experience.
The job description of a comic is to be funny, really, and I think, you know, I did that. You've got to have a gag in there, you know.
I put a lot of time and effort into writing the best speech I possibly could for the graduates today, so I hope they enjoyed that too and took a bit from it.
It's a really amazing place, very beautiful, incredible facilities.
Edge Hill's at the cutting edge, you know, it's got some of the best facilities in the nation.
It's almost like a park with a university built around it.
And my kids are with me today and have already said, we want to come here.
In fact, I think I'll book a week in August for my holidays. It's such a wonderful site.
Being awarded the Honorary Doctorate and then also taking over Doctor Who, they both feel very special.
For me, success is something to be able to do what you love doing, be able to carry on doing what you're doing, and that is success.
But ultimately, it's going to be down to whether you think that's achievable and whether you think you can do it. Because 9 times out of 10, if you've got the belief, then you will be successful.
I'm just so honoured and privileged to have been here today.
I never expected anything like this at all. It just came out of the blue.
It's been a great memory for me, something very special. And I'm absolutely, totally thrilled about it.